Greetings! John and I are here to say that we just reacted to episode 25 of The Untamed. And oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck this show. It makes me so happy and so excited and so tense and so everything. And we got so much OTP goodness from so many different camps. And I fuck this show. I can't articulate any more than that right now, actually, because this goddamn show. The link to the reaction is found down in the description box, as are options for supporting Gaywatch if you're looking for that kind of thing. And that's it. That is all I have. Here are some end cards.